I think you're very much focused on making your own self very, very stable these days. So you've become very self-centered these days. It's like you and your own self is very important. You're trying to prioritize yourself over everything. Seven of Swords. You might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, who might have cheated you. I see somebody was being very sneaky. Yeah, see, this is like a whole storyline here. So you are trying to focus on your stability because somebody was being a sneak, and I see that you're trying to distance yourself from the situation because you no longer want to participate in this with this person. And the best thing about you, Capricorn, is that you're not trying to play back anybody. It's not like you're not even trying to do them what they did to you. You're trying to do better than them, and you're just trying to disappear. Like there's a quote that don't even do them what they did to you, just try to disappear and do better than them. So you're exactly doing that. You're trying to disappear from this person's life, or you're trying to just distance yourself from the whole situation, and you're trying to do better in your life. You're certainly doing better, and I think with the passing time you are going to do even better. Your financial stability and your money is very much improving. So if money was a constraint, I see that going to improve. And some of you might be starting a business of yours, or in general, even in your work, I think you might just get some sort of hike, and it's going to bring you a lot of stability. Nice. Seven of Wands. See, I see that you really wanted this person to change their attitude towards you, like you really waited for them to do things. You also fought for this person, so maybe there was a situation where you had to fight for this person from your family, your friends, or your network circle, whatever. Like you try to defend this person every time somebody tried to say anything against them, but everything was in vain, and now you are asked to move on, or you're already moving on because you feel that this is all in vain. Queen of Swords. Two of Cups. Yeah, you had a lot of love for this person. There was emotions and everything, but then this person started acting really busy to you. Maybe they started showing you that they are very busy in their life, or they don't have time for you, or there are other things that are important to them. So you just left. You were like, okay, fine, if this is what you want, then I'm not gonna beg. I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna do better than you. All right, what else here for Capricorn? Devil card. The situation was really toxic with this person. I think this person really had some codependency issues. Maybe they were a sex addict or some sort of addiction, or in general they were just very controlling and very toxic. I see that you're not trying to pay attention to this, which is the best thing. See, we started with that energy, and again we have the Sun and the Queen of Wands, which again shows to me that even though this person did really bad to you and really nasty to you, you are coming out very, very strong, and you're trying to take control back of your life. You're also trying to figure out something these days. You're trying to find an answer, but you're not trying to find it from somebody. You're trying to find an answer within yourself. Why this happened, where you went wrong, why you couldn't analyze the situation. Those kind of questions you keep asking to your own self. So some soul searching is happening here, I think. But the good thing is that you're not going after anybody to find answers. All right, what else? Yeah, Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, there are two options in your life. So, like you really wanted this connection to work with this person, that you never really realized that you are very adorable. And Nine of Pentacles is someone who's very beautiful and adorable, and they have many admirers. So some of you, when you were in relationship with this person, you never really gave a chance to anybody else because you were just so focused on this person. But now when you're trying to isolate yourself from the situation, I see you have two other options or multiple options coming your way. And Eight of Cups in certain decks also shows that you are leaving a past lover and you're going towards something new, like you're trying to explore something new, and this is what is coming towards you. So I see multiple options coming in. When you're leaving this toxic person behind who was so codependent, and they were trying to control you, and they were trying to just keep you on hold, You finally stepped out and left, and this is what is coming towards you. Options. So now you're realizing as to, yeah, I had so many other options, like so many people like me already, like I have options, why was I wasting time? So some of you, you know, you'll have those kind of realizations now. There could be people from your past who will be telling you things like, yeah, you know, I always liked you, but because you were in a relationship or because you were dating somebody, I never told you. But now people will be confessing. So I see multiple people confessing their love for you. And the good thing is that you're trying to be happy by yourself. You're not trying to chase anybody. You do not want to indulge in anything which is short term. You do not want to be with somebody who just keeps you on hold and you don't really know where this connection is going with them. Anything which is unstable, anything which is not giving you clarity, you're not even chasing that, which is good. Give me some, yeah, 3 of Cups. See? You're really trying to explore your options these days. Really nice, really nice. I see that you're trying to socialize, or you are being asked to socialize. If you will try to make friends and if you will try to you know, connect with people, you will find that you have many admirers, and love is definitely coming up for you. Just because one connection did not work with where somebody cheated you does not mean the end of life. Okay, give me some past energy between Capricorn and their person. Lovers. There was love here. I'm not telling that this person never loved you, but they were never making a decision about you, you know. That's the problem. They were always on crossroads. So they never really decided. And then you decided to walk away. This person still has feelings for you, let me tell you that. They still have feelings for you. They know that you're very stable and very grounded. Like, you know, the good thing about you being genuine, whenever you're being genuine in a connection, the good thing is that no matter somebody might treat you in a weird way and then they might leave, but they will always remember you for your genuinity, you know, like how genuine you were there for them and how much you helped them. The good character never fades out. So I see that your good character is something which this person always recognizes, that Capricorn did a lot for me, you know, that kind of energy. They really, really cherish this bond that they had with you. And you also loved them. I'm not seeing that you hated them or something. It's like you really loved them, but what could you do when this person is not making a decision? What could you do? You just had an option to leave and you are doing that. This person was just making you wait for a very long time. They were trying to give you false hopes. They were trying to be something different, and they were exactly different. Like they were putting a false mask on, and then you were like, I'm done with it. 10 of Swords. Some of you are being also asked to not go against the wind. Like if things are not falling at the right place and if things are coming down, do not try to go against the wind. Surrender control, all right? Because right now I see there is divine timing here, which is basically removing this person from your life. Some of you, if you're already going through the separation, then do not force it. Like do not force to not let this happen. Divine is already guiding you that this person needs to go from your life. And if you've already gone through the separation and you're watching this after the separation, then let me tell you that it was all divine timing and it was all for your good. So surrender control and believe that universe has something good for you lined up already. See, Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. And you know, out of all the 4 knights, only this shows commitment. Only these 2 knights shows commitment. Knight of Sword and Knight of Wand is actually the people who come into your life as friends with benefit and relationship without no commitment. But Knight of Cup and Knight of Pentacle are the only 2 knights that show that the connection, if handled properly, can actually lead to commitment. So I see that this toxic person was removed from your life so that universe can give you better opportunities in love. Some of you, you know, you have dealt with toxic people for such a long time that you've forgotten how true love feels, and universe wants to give it to you now. Like this is what true love feels like. Capricorn, not this. You are trying to hold on to this person because of course you love them or whatever, but this is what is coming towards you. Oof. All right, so let's see this person's energy. See, I see a change is happening and it's against your wish. You don't want this connection to end with this person. It was very difficult for you when it was happening, or if for some of you, if it's happening now, it's very difficult for you, but do not stop the change. It is happening for your good. Let it be. All right, do not try to go against the wind. Alright, give me some more energy for Capricorn. Nine of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. You're stressing about things, but this is what universe is already giving it to you. Ten of Pentacles. You're overthinking a situation because things are falling apart or because things have fallen apart. You know, you cannot see this Ten of Pentacles, the abundance that's lining up for you. Right now, you're just focused as to why things happened with me, why things ended, why this person cheated me, and you're just having sleepless nights over it. But universe is like, hello. Everything ended because I wanted to give you this commitment or this financial abundance. Some of you, your money is drastically improving. So if you have 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. So it's like money is on top for you. Lot of prosperity, you know, lot of prosperity coming your way. Some of you also will be getting some sort of recognition or a position in your career. So like people around you see that you're very capable of handling things and they will give you a responsibility. So some sort of promotion or a hike is possible. All right, let's see a person's energy, the person that you were dealing with. What is their current energy towards the Capricorn? Wheel of Fortune. I think it was a soulmate or a karmic situation that you were in. They realized that they breadcrumbed you. They know whatever wrong they've done to you. They know that they always gave you very little. 10 of Wands, see? This person is overburdened right now. Something is overburdening them in their life. Some of you, maybe this person is someone who's very busy in their personal life, like they have many responsibilities, and that is why that might have been one reason for your separation. Like this person has a lot going on in their life and they could not give time to you or they could not take responsibility. I don't know. But this person right now, these days, are very, very overburdened by a situation. Some of you, they are overburdened because of a financial crunch in their life. So maybe something about finances is not happening right in their life. So maybe they are under a loan or a lot of debt or whatever. And they also miss how you used to help them. Like right now, I think they are carrying the burden in their life all by themselves. And now they are missing as to how you always used to help them and come to their rescue. Some of you, this is a married partner of yours, like you were married to this person. Or for others of you, it's just that they realize how you used to be there for them all the time and now they are all by themselves. 7 of Cups. This person, whoever you are dealing with, is very confused in their life. They are very stuck. This person's life has gone for a toss, is what I feel. Like in the past, they just distanced themselves from you because they wanted to show you how busy they are or how they have so much going on in their life that they cannot make time for you. So they started acting weird and now they are missing all the good times. Judgment. I see this was the person who decided to like leave. You did not leave them, they left you. That was a major decision. Like for some of you, it really felt like a part of you died when this separation happened, you know. But I see that you have improved your life drastically after the separation, and this person is now all confused and muddled in their life. Five of Wands. See, I also see that this person used to create unnecessary drama in your life, or you have somebody who does that. You have a new beginning waiting for you, and this person is all consumed in the drama. See, oh my god, this is what is coming towards you. The Ace of Cups and the 4 of Wands. Some of you, definitely a marriage or a commitment is coming towards you, and recognition also in your work. Like if you're not looking for marriage, then it could be recognition and work and money. And whoever you were dealing with, like they did not make a decision about you, they left you, and now they miss you and they're very confused. And they're also under some sort of pressure, work pressure, finance pressure, I don't know. And now they're missing the good times, religious factors. Maybe some of you, they left you because their family did not approve of you because you were from a different religion. I don't know. This person has made some stupid choices in the past because of which they left you, and now they kind of regret it. And they still are very drawn to you. So it's like you are trying to free yourself from this person, but they are still very much thinking about you. However, they might not accept it to you because they were the one who left. So they might be ashamed to accept, but they do it. They miss you. Past life relationship, and stay optimistic about your love life. I see a lot of blessings coming in your life regardless, Capricorn. And you are being asked to be optimistic about your love life. Like whatever has happened for your good. Divine timing was involved. This person was removed from your life because they would never make a decision about you and they were acting weird. So whatever it is, when you try to move on, like you're already, I think, moving on, or you have moved on, whatever, just stay optimistic and keep moving forward, because you have options, you have admirers, and I see one of them can actually be your long-term partner as well, all right? So you don't have to worry about anything. Keep going and let this person do whatever they did. Like they did not make a decision at the right time. Now what's the point? So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.